Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some bright, beautiful silk sarees collections only for you. So let me display. This one, best for your party wear, bright look, silk material with heavy weaving work design, border and all over base part is butta work, very trendy and fresh, bright looks. This one, full base part, bright color with golden zari, fine weaving border design. And this one, full base part, beautiful weaving butta work all over base, very bright looks and lightweight, best for your party wear, function wear, very nice looks. And this one, pallu portions, heavy weaving design work pallu but lightweight, comfortably you can carry. This one, full base part, this one is border portion, bright color weaving butta work all over base. And this one, all over base is beautiful weaving butta work, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade work, golden shade, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, smart and bright looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, bright color combination, silk material, heavy weaving butta work and bright magenta pink shade color. And this one, full base part is multi-color fine weaving butta design all over base. And this one, border portions, contrast color dye border with fine weaving design, heavy work border and pallu. This portion, pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with heavy weaving design work pallu portions. And this one, running blouse piece. And this one is all over base, very bright fresh looks, best for your party wear, function wear, very smart one. This one is all over base part is butta work. These are beautiful multicolor weaving butta, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. And this one, very nice one, soft silk material with silk weaving work all over base, parrot green shade, very nice color combinations with contrast color, highlighted fine weaving design work border. And this one, full base part, fully self weaving work. This portion is base part, fully self weaving work with golden zari, highlighted butta design, and all over base is self weaving work. And this one is border portions, golden zari, fine weaving border design. This one is full base part. And this one, pallu portions, very nice looks, contrast color with fine weaving design and very soft one, fine weaving design, highlighted pallu. This portion is pallu. And this one is all over base. And this one is all over base but very trendy and fresh looks. And this one is running blouse piece, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding gorgeous party looks. Very beautiful bright color, soft silk material, heavy weaving border design, very nice fresh looks. This one is full base part, this one is full base part, maroon shade. This one is full base, heavy weaving design work. This one is border portions, contrast color with heavy golden zari, fine weaving border. And this one is all over base part, beautiful weaving butta design, very smart bright looks, bright maroon shade. This one is all over base. And this one, pallu portions, very nice looks. This portion is pallu portions, very trendy and fresh looks, maroon and green contrast. This portion is pallu, heavy work. And this one, running blouse piece, very nice trendy looks. This one is pallu portions and this one is running blouse piece, very nice fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, a heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, very beautiful one, semi garad silk with contrast color, fine weaving border design and off-white base all over butta work, very premium quality, very nice fresh elegant looks. This one, full base part, off-white base. This portion is all over base part. This one is contrast color green shade with fine weaving border with highlighted temple pattern design, and this one full base part beautiful fine golden zari weaving butta design, and this one pallu portions contrast color dye pallu with beautiful heavy brocade weaving design contrast pallu. And this one full base part very nice looks. This one is all over base. One portion is fresh pink shaded contrast border, one portion is green shaded contrast border, and this one is running blouse piece. Very fresh and elegant looks, and I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding elegant looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, semi garth silk with beautiful weaving butta contrast border, and very nice looks all over. Base part is golden butta design. This one full base part soft one, and beautiful bright looks, bright navy blue shade contrast green pipe border with heavy weaving design, golden zari weaving design border portions, and this one pallu portions contrast color dye pallu with heavy weaving bouquet pattern weaving design highlighted pallu, and this one full base part very fresh looks. This one is full base fine weaving golden butta, and this one is running blouse piece very trendy and fresh looks, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very smart and bright look, soft silk material, very nice one contrast color border, and this one all over base silk weaving butta, very trendy fresh looks. This one full base part. This one is full base part contrast color border, and all over base fine weaving butta design floral butta, and this one is red contrast with fine weaving design highlighted border, and this one full base part very nice look, soft one summer friendly. This one is all over base same pattern, and this one pallu portions very nice looks, contrast red with fine weaving design highlighted pallu, and this one is base part, and this one is contrast pallu, and this one running blouse piece same type, very elegant fresh bright looks, and I will suggest this silk material silk weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one bright looks, Baluchari pattern weaving design art silk with beautiful Baluchari pattern weaving design all over base, very bright fresh looks. This one full base part very nice one. This one is all over base part fine weaving butta design, and this one border portions fully fine weaving butta Baluchari pattern weaving design art silk material, and this one pallu portions contrast color with fine weaving design highlighted heavy worked pallu, and this one is full base part very nice looks art silk with heavy weaving design, very trendy fresh looks elegant also, and I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one very beautiful one bright color combinations art silk material with temple pattern fine weaving border, and pallu also very nice looks fine weaving highlighted pallu. This portion is pallu fully weaving design, and all over base butta work art silk material, and this one border portions. This one is border portions temple pattern weaving design border, and this one is all over base art silk with weaving work, and I will use this silk material self weaving heavy work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one very nice color combination soft silk material with heavy weaving design fine weaving design border, and all over base part butta work very trendy looks. This one full base part soft comfortable. This one border portions contrast color with fine golden zari weaving border, and this one is pallu portion stripes pattern, fully weaving design work pallu, very nice look, soft one. This one is full base, very trendy looks, and fine weaving butta and contrast border. This one is all over base, very trendy looks, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. Very beautiful bright color, very nice looks, temple pattern weaving design border, and this one full base part, very trendy looks. This one is full base part, beautiful work. This one is contrast color border with golden zari fine weaving design work, and all over base butta design, golden zari weaving butta work. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with heavy golden zari fine weaving design work, pallu lightweight soft one, very trendy and bright looks. This one is border and this one is pallu, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one soft semi cotton silk with printed one, very nice elegant printed looks. This one is full base part printed, and for your office wear, professional wear, very smart trendy looks. This one is all over base printed one, semi cotton silk, and this one is border portions, beautiful printed, and this one pallu portions, fully nice printed pallu, and this one all over base, very soft one, summer friendly, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy looks, and I will suggest this silk material brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one same material, same pattern, different color only, very nice color combination, semi cotton silk with beautiful smart printed one. This one all over base, very trendy and fresh looks. This one full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is border portions, contrast color printed border, and all over base part is nice printed one, and soft lightweight, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice looks. This one all over base, and this one is pallu portions, fully printed pallu, soft one, lightweight, comfortable, based for your office wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, silk weaving, heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Also very beautiful one, very nice color combination, same material, semi cotton silk with nice printed one, based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, and this one is border portions, nice printed, and this one is pallu portions, very nice trendy looks, beautiful printed pallu, and this one all over base, very nice printed looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, nice color combination, semi cotton silk with beautiful printed one, all over base part is printed, and very soft one, summer friendly, smart fresh looks. This one full base part, beautiful printed, all over base, and very nice soft one, and this one is border portions, contrast printed border, and this one pallu portions, nice printed pallu all over, and this one is full base part, very nice look, soft, comfortable, lightweight. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one very nice one, soft silk material with fine weaving butta work and contrast golden highlighted weaving border design. This one full base part, very nice looks with fine weaving butta design all over base. And this one pallu portions, heavy fine weaving design work pallu. This one is border portions, and this one pallu portions, very trendy fresh looks. This one is fully silver zari with contrast color threaded weaving design highlighted pallu. And this one full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric heavy weaving bouquet work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart daily looks. Very beautiful one, bright fresh color combinations, very nice looks of white base with heavy art silk with heavy weaving work all over base, very nice looks, bright one. And this one full base part, heavy weaving design. This portion is border portion, and this one all over base part is fine jamdani pattern weaving design, very trendy fresh bright looks, art silk material. And this one pallu portions, fully same heavy weaving design work pallu, very trendy looks, fresh one. And I will suggest this silk material butta work, Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, and bright gorgeous also. And this one very beautiful one, art silk with heavy Banarasi weaving work, black base and bright contrast wide border with heavy weaving design. This one art silk material, and this one is border portions, fully contrast color weaving design work border. And this one is pallu portions, fully fine heavy weaving design work pallu. And this one full base part, very bright fresh looks. And this one is border portions, white border, red contrast black base with heavy weaving design, beautiful bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and bright looks. And this one very beautiful one, Dupian Tussar silk with golden zari border with hand weaving butta design, very elegant looks. This one is full base part, very lightweight comfortable. This one is full base part, and this one border portions, golden border, and all over base part is weaving butta design, Tussar Dupian silk and pure silk. And this one pallu portions, contrast color highlighted with fine weaving butta design pallu, very elegant look, soft sober elegant looks. This one full base part, and this one is premium quality golden saree border, and this one is all over piece. And this one running blouse piece, stripes pattern running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding elegant looks. Beautiful color, silky and material with fine weaving border design, peach pink shade, very nice color combinations. And this one border portions, fine golden zari weaving design border work. This portion border fine temple pattern with weaving design highlighted border. And this one is full base part, very nice color combinations, peach pink shade, very nice one, soft one, lightweight. And this one pallu portions, fully golden zari highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border. And this one full base part, very nice looks, trendy one, beautiful color combinations with fine golden zari weaving design border, temple pattern weaving design work border, very smart fresh looks, peach pink shade, soft one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And today I have did a beautiful color saree, golden mustard yellow golden shade, all over heavy work, handloom pure soft silk, and full base part is beautiful weaving design. This portion border portions fully heavy worked border, and all over base part is fine weaving design, very smart fresh looks and nice color combinations. And this one pallu portions fully fine weaving design work pallu, and very soft one, lightweight and bright color combinations, very nice looks. Handloom soft silk material, beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry. If you want the same saree and same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.